Are you tired of the constant battle with unstable blood sugar levels and those stubborn extra pounds? Well, we've got something revolutionary for you. Welcome to our comprehensive review of Amiclear, the game-changing dietary supplement that's taking the world by storm. But before you hit that buy button, make sure you know all about its side effects and incredible benefits. Stick around to uncover the truth. Introducing Amiclear, your ultimate solution for balanced blood sugar, diet, and weight loss. Let's delve into the heart of this revolutionary formula. Amiclear is meticulously crafted to tackle the challenges of managing blood sugar levels, promoting weight loss, and supporting overall health. It's an all-natural blend of scientifically researched plant-based ingredients that work together harmoniously. So, how does it work? Let's break it down. 1. Regulate blood sugar levels. Amiclear's natural components like Maca Root, Guarana, and Gymnema sylvestre help stabilize blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of long-term complications. 2. Weight loss support. Ingredients like African mango, coleus, and grapeseed extract boost metabolism, promote fat burning, and aid weight loss. 3. Cardiovascular health. With grapeseed extract, ginseng, and astragalus, Amiclear supports heart health by reducing oxidative stress, improving circulation, and maintaining optimal blood pressure levels. The science behind the formula is fascinating. Maca Root enhances insulin sensitivity. Guarana boosts metabolism. African mango offers better digestion and weight loss support. Gymnema sylvestre curbs sugar cravings. And that's just the beginning. Here's why Amiclear is your holistic health solution. Blood sugar regulation. Amiclear maintains healthy blood sugar levels, reducing the risks of complications. Weight management. It supports healthy weight loss by boosting metabolism and facilitating fat burning. Insulin production. The formula's antioxidants aid in insulin production and stability. Cardiovascular support. Amiclear's blend enhances heart health, reducing stress and maintaining blood pressure. Now, you might be wondering, where can I get my hands on Amiclear? Simple. Just visit the official Amiclear website, link in the description and comments below, and click that link to secure your health transformation. But why choose Amiclear over other options out there? Safe and effective. Amiclear is safe, natural, and effective, with no reported side effects. Amiclear is manufactured in an FDA-approved facility in the United States that adheres to the highest sterility standards and CGMP regulations. Plant-based. Its plant-based, non-GMO composition ensures a well-rounded approach to health enhancement. Now, let's talk about how to use Amiclear for optimal results. For the best benefits, take a full dropper of Amiclear under your tongue or dissolve it in water before breakfast. Consistency is key, so remember to maintain a healthy lifestyle and diet. And what about pricing? Amiclear offers 3 packages to suit your needs and budget, plus 2 bonus ebooks for that extra boost. But here's the cherry on top. Amiclear believes in its efficacy and offers a risk-free, 60-day money-back guarantee. If you're not satisfied, they've got you covered. To sum it up, Amiclear isn't just a supplement. It's your path to balanced blood sugar, weight loss, and overall well-being. So, why wait? Elevate your health journey with Amiclear today and take that step towards transformation. If you have benefited with Amiclear or have doubts, leave us a comments below to help others take informed decision to change their life. Your contribution matters. Hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you found this review helpful. And remember, health is wealth. Invest in yourself with Amiclear.